I just want to put out a quick video how to fix the problem with the iPhone SE 2020 model. This is what I did, and this finally guys, resolved an issue. I did an update. iOS version 16.3.1 resolved an issue. Guys, this is what you need to do. Go and update your iPhone SE 2020 now if you want your batteries to stop draining very fast, like what my phone experienced. It was draining extremely fast. But this solution, this fix my issues. Yes, I believe the previous versions of the iOS on this model, on this particular model, had issues, had bugs that was preventing it from lasting. I've had my iPhone on for about 3 days now, maybe less than 3 days, and it has fixed the problem. The phone is dramatically improved in terms of battery lasting. My battery health is very good, and I didn't know what the problem was. And I was reading forums, and they all said the same problem. This model has battery drainage. So the only solution, guys, is go and update your firmware to 16.3.1 now.